Is this Gundam worth it? Let's find out. Hello Gundam fans, this is Fu from Gundam Mind, and the question of today is this Gundam worth it? So before I get into anything, I will start with the box. So this is the front side of the box. You see Freedom Gundam version 2.0 and here Yamato. So at this side of the box, you will see the finished product, figurized bus, here Yamato. This is a complete product, and narratives saying dramatic combination, MG Freedom Gundam version 2.0 and here Yamato figurized bus in a single package. This is Intranzala. It's actually available in our website now, www.gundam.mind, and this is the first time. It should be on pre-order soon. It comes with a grouping of 5,700 yen. Let's compare this with the Freedom 2.0. Okay, let's open this and see what it comes with. So the first runner here is from Figurized Bus Kira Yamato. This is a face of it with stickers for his shoulders and etc. etc. So this is another Kira Yamato part. So it's this. This is from your standard Gundam Freedom 2.0 runners. This is the black runner. You get the action-based one. The white armor part for Freedom 2.0. The colored runner with the white runner comes with the stickers for standard 2.0. It doesn't come. It's kind of disappointing. It doesn't come in water decals. So these are one of the white runners. You see this big gun. This is a shield runner, front and back. More runners. This is a real gun. The blue runners for the wings, and the beam sabers. There's another blue runner. There is the frame runner. All blue. Here is the face. They provide you with multicolored eye instead of stickers. And lastly, the instruction manual. Inside there will be instructions for you for the action-based one. Here's the Kira Yamato Hit Bus instruction manual. The action-based one will be here. So, at the end of the day, is this kit more worth it? It comes with a Kira Yamato hit bust. It comes with a action-based one, and it also comes with Freedom Gundam version 2.0. So, which do you guys find it more worth it? If you are not really into Kira Yamato's hit bus and the action-based one, this is the one you go. It actually includes an action base, but it's not an action-based one. If you prefer the Kira Yamato hit bus and the additional action-based one, this is the one to go. It's only 5,700 yen. And that is all for today. Thanks for watching, and remember to hit the subscribe button. Thank you.